Hey guys, in this video I will show you all working mystery gift codes in Pokémon Legends Z-A. Alright, let's begin. If you pre-ordered Pokémon Legends Z-A, you can claim exclusive mystery gifts and bonus items. First, press the X button on your controller to open the main menu. Then, select Link Play. You don't need a Nintendo Online subscription for this, but you must have a Wi-Fi connection. Next, choose Get via Internet. The game will connect online and show available gifts. For pre-orders, you'll receive a Ralts and Gardevoirite gift, which comes through an animation similar to Sword and Shield. You may also have a special code for 100 Pokeballs. After entering the code, a downloadable version purchase bonus message will appear. Make sure not to power off your console during this process to avoid interrupting the download. Once complete, you'll receive 100 Pokeballs, a great bonus early in the game. So that's basically how you can get all working mystery gift codes in Pokémon Legends Z-A. That's it for this video. Thanks.